With the growing economy and drive for innovation, the garments industry of Bangladesh has blossomed over the past 2 decades and has become a socio-economic role model for success to the rest of the world. Auko Tex Group is a 100% export-oriented knit composite garment manufacturing conglomerate established in 2002. Auko Tex stands firm on its 3 pillars: economic, environmental, and social sustainability, which have carved out the company's philosophy and rewritten the chapters of success. In the journey of nearly 2 decades, we have grown and branched out to several other ventures, all under the same roof of Auko Tex Group. Auko Tex Limited, Equitex Assurance, Yasin Knit Tex Industries Limited, Equitex Accessories Limited, Sajid Properties Limited. On-time delivery, creating sustainable new products. Our responsible business practices has ensured customer satisfaction and allowed them to bestow their trust in us. With robust and fully comprehensive production facility, we cater to all your garment needs. Our creative minds from R&D department innovate numerous numbers of creations with fabric, print, embroidery, wash and other process per year. Through rigorous endeavor and outlining every edge of detail, our designers offer the fusion of ideas, awareness of trends and technologies as sales kits and capsule collection. Our dedicated merchandisers work relentlessly to shape up the bridge between seller and the buyer. A bunch of young and energetic people with innovative thinking and experience doing their best to attain customer satisfaction. Through sample and product development, we execute and bring life to the designs approved by our buyers. In knitting department, we knit the foundation of bondage with buyers, suppliers with intangible loops. matter the most to us, we do not hold back in ensuring maximum safety to keep them healthy and risk-free during work. Therefore, we adopt and implement safety measures for fire, electricity, building, security, and emergency. We believe in safety and protection of nature by ensuring zero contamination and best environmental practices. In every stage of production, we ensure maximum care for minimum ecological footprint. In the Auko Tex family, we take great care of our members and the people of the community through many philanthropy initiatives. As a part of our far-reaching social sustainability, we are providing 24 hours mini Medicare, childcare, educational stipends, ration, old allowance, emergency aid, clothes and sapling distribution, destitute housing project, computer training center through 23 schools and colleges in rural areas, initiatives to ensure access to quality education, established school, madrasa, hostel building and public library, community medical center, organizing picnic and cultural programs. Auko Tex has been recognized nationally and worldwide for its efforts to create a positive impact towards workers' living standard and society. Auko Tex Group's significant achievement for sustainable business practices. Auko Tex Managing Director, Engineer Abdul Subhan, also has been bestowed with the recognition of Commercially Important Person (CIP) by the Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh for his contribution in the field of economy, society, and environment for the consecutive years, and also endowed with the country's highest recognition, President's Award for Industrial Development as a successful entrepreneur. Auko Tex stands committed to remain honest, and its promise to continue to build on its pillar of sustainability will continue to strive ahead because we believe in doing ethical business, minimize our negative impacts on nature, care of people, and share our efforts with the customers. Let's work hand in hand for a better tomorrow.